Miemu adwoni esamu akwaba. Na yensha kasebo no ase se utu mirika na se wuhia yen e Facebook no ase a. Eye DLFM 106.9. Fa message. Wo comment. Brofo abetro. Fa ne nyina to ase adwedwra dem se keji madam a. Wo bie akwada zipu ebrenie. Kasebo na hyase no empanifo a wonom ana ye adwuma. Emma eye Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana. Ye twa ntia Crosag. Wonom ese enkantre Ghana fo nyina ese. Eniema bi akoso e wo modwumadi a wonom edienum se Crosag members. Nanso no wo ma ye din ehunu se aban a watiso yi. Se wanfe wo se a won hunu da se oyam ya oya. Enu nti wo mo kire se fiti na kuro yi. Wonom ede wo mo nade agufo a we no eye nationwide strike. Ana wo mo ede agu akwam. Na wo bra wo mo nsam trofo edi nkomo no. Ana wo mo ekirem se efiti yanka to apeso nie. Ana wonom aka ede a kire aban no se eye new salary structure wo market ya ho sensem bi anka hu behia sanka ban no wodi tudwa na nka wo muso huru se oh abrabo no aye bondachi bia no ye kwa ye mrewa ani ye nkokrabo mu aye mre nanso wo mutirem se akatua ho sensem aye dendende sa tetede awo enu nti na de hu behia ne se wonom ebeti atua wo mutirem a ewiase ne se bi se wo hihye ne makuntan si ho na sa wo bo se bi obakwase amane na so wanye wo so akire se wo beso a wade na wo mene nsamtwefo di nkomo no ana wo mukirem se enton kopim se aban ne betie wo musum na wo mudwumadi a wo mudie eso beba mfaso ama wonom no enya de se wonom Crosag members no wonom beba dwuma mu na abadwuma mu ekina wonam so mene nsamtwefo eti wo mu go montre so a ene Ghana fa na baabi a Crosag fo ye adwuma no nsamtwefo ekoyi na ade ba ko ne se wo bra nsamtwefo eduru eye Ministry of Trade and Industry keti hamod ho no na kire se kojan ana bobo ho no mu a bibia kire se ye de credo so atutum enu nti wonom ate atu adwuma no mo kire se enton kopim sa ban ebetie wo mu so no enya de se wo mbaye ne aye ne kina afenso wonom kopie mu e wo miamia hodo bi so a eye Crosag no so eye adwuma wo titiriw any ministries no ana wo mu hunu se no members ne nyina no obi akofie lemom aka security eni se bi enua no a esisi ho no a ana wo mo ankasa na nam ho no mo kakra na no ana security ba ko ne nsamtrofo di nkomo na wotirem se de enti a aha no mo aye bo no eni se he wono mo nyina ate atua kofie na enton kopem se association members no be ka kire mo se mo nsamra no de eni na nka gwa emu nsam kakra emie na we no eye bra nsamtrofo eni asantemantam mu dwomtrani ede ema Crosag anasa asqa municipal no di ede direct from pon.
Also today as Crosag we are on strike and it has affected the municipal because majority of the staffs here fall under the Crosag association. So we are not working here. You see us here, we are the executives and we are here to make sure that those ones that also want to find their way here, we stop them from coming to do any work here because we want the government to hear us and hear us well so that we too will have a good condition of service that will make our life comfortable for us to be able to deliver good services to Mother Ghana. Our dreams, our vision is to deliver good services to our communities that we serve. And it's not for our good intention to send them away. But those who are going to deliver the service to them are not here. They are all at home. So if you even allow you to go to the office is locked. So when you come, we explain to you that the offices that you are coming to seek these various help, they are not available as at now. So until when you hear our National Council calling off this strike, then you can come back and come in and get your services you want. 2022, you entered the agreement with us, take Crosag into a new salary structure. And that is all that we are requesting for. Implementation was to start in 1st January 2023. And we are in 2004, July, as we stand, no show. So all that we are seeking is that hear us. As you saw that we needed a new condition of service, so we need it now. So hear us so that we can come back and serve the good people of Ghana and help develop Ghana to the dream we all want.
Enti eni ayati yeyi eye chairman Edema Crosag a wonom ewo Asqa municipality no emu asante mantemo Derek Frempong and what this handsome way ato eda yento akasebo no eso
yeto akasebo no so na ye body awuramu ewo MPP emanyoku na aka chinese amekese ne wonom gusu e pra bonto an kakran se Ghana o ma Ghana yin yankopon ya adom openim abusmedi anim yin ne da etoso nson no Ghana fo nyina beko sine makwa akoto aba ne senti omani abere pan na no beto odwasa ne MPP amanyoko na hu behia so momoden e paw eye frankatun be de akire e de ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no tumi boa no obo ne chidom na nto aboy emu ya den pa se be betimi aboa na mfimpim yeneru na abato de yanemu no MPP amanyoko no etime de nkonem yedu ya me no kese ya no National Executive Committee e de ma MPP amanyoko na momoden akwa kopiemu e Walisa Hotel akwa ye chese meeting chenchireche pa chese nyasam ketu akra na mna meeting no course no e na matena se ehunu se dabi Dr. Matthew Oproku Prempe ye bona mna no se napo chese ye dane woye a penifo chese ne ye bode ni sentimo omadia dane e de ama ne sene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na bede cho be boa no na bontoa mfim yeneru ne abato we mu no Dr. Matthew Oproku Prempe na meeting no e course Walisa Hotel wanka Premantemu ne mfo omadia tena asam no so chese ne meeting chenchirenche wonu me meeting makoma mpre no omokwa ba na mo se dabi ya hwehwe mu adwene ho ahunu se dabi Dr. Matthew Oproku Prempe no ono ane ni Paul Safata so wo maden ya run mate ebe de akire e de ma MPP amanyoko no na mpenifo akire mu se wo hwe Dr. Matthew Oproku Prempe ne modern bo na ho keka MPP amanyoko no mu na nyame ne mu de kure ni papa yi se osum ni papa na Ghana vo nyina gine di every se wabo adwuma papa na mo kire mu se otumi ka ni papom papa ni modern bo agwapo aka ne mpo no na yo so afọ na hwe o man Ghana ye hu masua so na so ne modern bo boy no wone mu kire mu na nyasem kuma kra wone mu sense se ameke se enyinam kan ye chese ne ejina so se hwen ona baba gina mu e bo amade abe minister energy obon ho made papa mu kire mu aba adwuma ma Ghana fo nyina ma no mo piaf if there you media wadie no aso Ghana no fo nyina papa se ameke se so MPP amanyoko no kire mu se wo mo so aso mani pan to mu kire mu se Dr. Matthew Oproku Prempe no o safata se MPP amanyoko ntumi body din no no eye run mate se ameke se no mpefo gina tumi se ne se wo probi abone din so na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na wani mate dia na Dr. Matthew Oproku Prempe na mla dwumade ni kwa awie no na the national chairman Justin Kodia wa modern ane samtrefo din komo e mo nkyeremu nie
o wa badaye o enipa o kanipa bom o enipa o wa abotre eti nkofo New Patriotic Party ojidie se ye yi Dr. Matthew Oproku Prempe Nhyiraba Bawumia baba ye adwuma no ye ndwuma ye o memwa from 2017 be Prince Amri ene hyehyɛ ya ye de ba 2025 no obobo ni rachidom ni aton amagana fo nyina ate nsempa ye wo maomo ene kwan ye fa so a ye kyekere o ma no enu ti ne National Council ye hia ye edamu nyina amase ebrese mu so ye be hia bi edamase
eni a wuti ye twetwerefo penin Edema and MPP amanyoko no mekire eye National Secretary and I say General Secretary Edema MPP amanyoko no Justin Frempong Kodua na manebo we yensem training Elvis Kuma Samson and de amanebo Edema ne yen
yento anwumre no nsia ka se bo no so a ye free NPP amanyoko yi emo no na ye fa kwati kwan ato yensa ba komienu miensa se Romafo ekosi efunu ni abaje twen ewo NDC fo so wonum headquarters na ene ensem trofo nhia mu bi koso na wapani a wo hotiri akasamu ni asimpie ni ogina so eye party ne twetwefo pani fifi avikwete wono so ade atu da atrem se mampani akufo ado efa kwati kwa bia so apaki Supreme Court no na wode NPP ema akwahye wo se de be ya dache bia no se NPP eni abamu a yentimi emfa ne party members anase government officials no emu biada enkonkogina court se emra entimi ene no eni na wode sanse mu anyina to da na wetirim se eye ne nwanwa pa sanke ehu yei ohwe Ghana amamra ayitintim na fiat ma henkro de okunum yenu no a wo se there should be independence of the judiciary na kire se ehu behia sankate mu odwa no ebetimi aye independent nanka we no enkoye NPP ni NDC sem na nso no yewura fifi avikweta echirim se mampani akufo ado ba ye mfinhia nwotwenie wuko Supreme Court ho no mo a kire se NPP a judges nko a ana wode wono maka akogu ho na wode sanse bo anyina to dwa na Ghana fo be kai ya enura ana Chief Justice ye mame eraba isaba tokunu wode beto dwa kire mu se we no eye proposal any recommendation se atemuafo makomako enum bi sanka wono Chief Justice ye mame eye Gertrude tokunu enya ya nanka mampani akufo ado abo wonum din se wono monkonkoye adwuma se ajagefo eye Supreme Court na enipa no ayebe wo mu din no die wodi nkan eye Justice afia sewa asare botwe ameno kasai wono ana eye ambulance ho nsensem a yedie ewo court no efa eye minority leader honorable Dr. Kesela to forcing ana afenso no eye ambulance ho nsensem no wono ani dwamtrani a watimu se judge a wodi sa asem no afenso nipa na ye ka ho bie a ye bo wonum di senka braso a nka mampani Akufo-Addo mfa wo nkonko piem e wo Supreme Court to sa judge for no eye Justice Sarah Pamela Cranton, Justice Edward Amuako Asante, Justice Eric Cheibafo, ana Justice Angelina Mensa Humia. Saidi we eto Montreal so no ana enne NDC amanuko na yensem trofo nhia mu kirem se saa mpanimfo mu dia todwa ne nyina no eye NPP fo na mampani Akufo-Addo esan boni asebio wone NPP fo edi Ghana fo nti won pese da achi bia no samane sesa ye betimi achi wo maso nempo accountability atemu papa ene kirese akontabo papa betima kon kan nti ana mampani Akufo-Addo wo yesai na wo kirem se Ghana fo anso de nti a wo mai ebeye hu ase atimota forest wo bra fifi avekwete wo kasa no emunsem nie.
It is also an assault on our democracy, a betrayal of public trusts, and a direct threat to the integrity of our judicial system. Imagine the dire consequences of this reckless action. This government stops at nothing and is determined to create a judiciary that is no longer a check on executive power, but a mere extension of it. This is not the Ghana our forefathers fought for. This is not the democracy we pledge to uphold. Our nation deserves better, and it is our duty to stand up and protect the very foundations of our democracy. Despite the huge number of just judges appointed by President Akufo-Addo to the Superior Court and the lower courts, and the 15 judges that he has already appointed to the Supreme Court in particular, the NDC has become aware of a grand conspiracy hatched by President Akufo-Addo and the Chief Justice to appoint additional 5 judges to the Supreme Court. We have cited a shocking and deeply disturbing letter from Chief Justice Gertrude Tokono to President Akufo-Addo requesting the appointment of 5 new judges to the Supreme Court of Ghana. This request from the Chief Justice is not only a blatant violation of our Constitution, but also a flagrant disregard for the established customs and traditions that guide the nomination of judges to our nation's highest courts.
Enti ebusuani ayeti ye eye NDC trotro for penny owura eye fifi avikwete ana wo kire se enipa numu a yesade wonum eko Supreme Court na wurade wo mo pe wo so nasem echechi ne ye enti se Ghana fo ankasa na mampani Akufo-Addo bekoso aye ne saade a obi nkase putuo nshimie ni nedwo eja tom se wom obi abefa ne sekan ye nto akase bo no eso
ye to akase bo no so na ye body awuramu ewo mahye bedwane a wogina mu edema knockdown abatu mpesu aso Samuel Okogyeabour wakasa echirim se ene oman Ghana National Cathedral Project akwasi enipa hodo edi dwumade di sha wonom nsa na ochirem a sisi amekese ni dwumade no wonom aye ni si wantan mo briga na fuani so ni senti wonom hu botwa no na mo de kura edi ahyem ochirem a nanse na beto dwanse mahye bedwane dada na ndi ageze na Minister of State edema Finance Ministry no abra osaya sarbo moden ekopie mahye bedwam nam to tona na ochirem se ne sika botene 339 million Ghana cedis mo moden ya page sika wei ade ahya de hye bi nsa o my Ghana mo asofu mpenifo bi nom se sika wei monyi ya na mo fa mo na o my Ghana yenya National Cathedral na moa na se ne se na nanom asofo na beko ho se na nanom atran kwamio se ne se enuanom kremofo na beko nso de a etoje mo ankasa ene ochirem se wo hwe che se ne nsema wo do afa sa cathedral no ho a ochirem se hu pa efri se ana montu mpenifo tu ye no wode mu kirem se mo ba odwuma pa nanso wo kwahwe no mo pa ba bia mo ba odwuma de aduro no adaya musi chese foundation level pe na mo wo munko ba bia ana mo chese mo ba adwuma Okogyeabour ba kwa kirem se ekodum pempenso na danko Akufo-Addo o si gina ya se obesi National Cathedral do maman Ghana no wonum bizane se na danko Akufo-Addo anama wuti aso wankasa botom sika anasa Ghana fo dwete o ma Ghana de hye yenka kranka preba maboabo anin no de babesi sa as a National Cathedral de si wa ma man no chim se dabi wei tudem ponyanko pom da wasa no frɛ me wasena na Akufo danko awo we Ghana man panin se de tie bia no ubedi akonwa ne senti me so daye bomade ansa wini abana National Cathedral si ma Ghana we si pe we demfua ena o chim se we de daye so to no nkuto ne dia odne botom sika so beji mu obi mpa na ya Ghana asofo bi pe ne beboa na mu so o man sika de aba empare no onfa bi mfa nya da ena o chim se nsem se na mo ka kira Ghana fo na ne ba ne sen ena mo tabiri o ma Ghana sika dwata la jan edi akwakwasi National Cathedral yi dwumadie mpo so amaso ena o chim se ankade beboa ne sen kedi kan no ade be ye o ma na dwuma no ehu be hia senka modi pia o ma se bedwam na ma se bedwafo tena so ebobo hu ana mo hu ni se dwumadi amudu kwa kwede no asomachebe dwafo no mmeranti yagitum anase yanyentum ana mankasa de mo pre na mo de aye wo kyeremu anamo no mutu ye no anso ani kura na Okogyeabour Ocran ene sentrefo kasaye emu kyeremu nie.
Then you recall that a citizen went to the apex court of the land, James Kwabena Bonfair, saying that this project will open the floodgate. Traditionalists are likely to ask for a national shrine. Muslims will ask for a national mosque because they all pay taxes. The Attorney General at the time, in his presentation in the court, and we have all the court documents now, we have the judgment, they misled the judges, saying that, look, this cannot be seen as a national project per se, because the president has clarified it's a personal pledge. The only contribution the state is making is to provide land, and so this will not open the floodgates. Now, how did we move from no state resources then to seed capital? After they began to carry out amendments, when we had exposed the lack of sincerity, lack of candor with the claims that they will not use public funds, they then made a significant shift and said they are going to use minimum resources, very minimum, and that it will be just a seed fund. On the floor of the House, if you check the Hansard, my good self, the Honorable Dr. Yeni, when we were debating the 2019 budget, we said that under our laws, under the Constitution of Ghana, you cannot just say that you are going to use seed fund and leave it so vacuous without specificity. There ought to be a figure. That seed fund you are talking about, your brilliant intervention that is relative. We made that point and we said, as lawmakers, we are required to know what the amount is.
And what he and our black question to me say, and one pa now your project we pa baby and nama. Empenifo kyerem se omubu adwuma no ono adwene ho awonte ase ene wo kyerem se sia sika akwahye no aba oman Ghana dwirimu pa prane kankan sika akwadware nimpa betu oman Ghana mu efasa project we mu no ehu pa ne senti nimpa abonya se mpenifo momaden atena sa nhyehyemu anhwehwemu afata nyina na se ne ba bia sika ne hye no wono matumi agye firi se oman Ghana ene omabo no kro no.
This National Cathedral project, I have to be very honest and brutally frank with you, that it has epitomized the massive corruption, the lack of prioritization, the abysmal levels of policy formulation, the disrespect for the Ghanaian people, and the disregard for our laws. All of those ingredients are at play when you come to analyze this National Cathedral project. How come a project which was first presented to us as a private project, a personal pledge of the president, which would not require public funds? The president was emphatic. Indeed, when the president met eminent clergy, the first time he constituted the board of trustees, he told them that they were not going to use public funds. They were going to raise resources from outside.
Eni awoti ye e mashebe dwani a ogyinamu edema noton abatwa mpesua so Samuel Okogyeabour Ocran nene na awoti ye
yento akasebo no esoi na yemoso nkwa yanim ye konsan fufuro mu a na National Council for Curriculum and Assessment ye twanti ase naka wonom de atodwa akyerem sesei empenifo at the new secondary education curriculum bi aba we no ebetimi aboa pa na sa wode toto Canada no ho a o we no kwala nim bebrebe a ebetimi kura aboa ama Ghana fo nkwada no adesua bia na wo mu esua no ebetimi asa aboa wonom da ache wobra wonom enyiri ko omanim na se Ghana fo ebeka yi a enche ye kura ana Ministry of Education eye wo madwene se na wonom e de reforms bi eba na reforms no eno ebeboa ama secondary education no wonom asesani mu kakra se ne be ya curriculum no e de kire wo mo ade no ye de niam ahodo bi ebehyehyem se de be ya kwada no se wo wie secondary school a wo betime de nsa aye bibi ama kire se ne wiase ehwehwe e wo se nipa no ho ne akwada no ho no wo mo atimi anya e de free sa Ghana for mo fra no eho na eno nso ayade a wo mu kire mu se ye wo kane no wo hwe curriculum no a akwada ne wie a se gwampe bibia ama na anya no osi ho na se no curriculum na mpanifo de aba no eno betimi aboa yie papa ama kwada no wo nyini ba nyina no wode nsa no dwuma nso eba wo bra wo wie senior high eli ade na eno enam so mansam trofo nhia mu akoso e wo Nat Hall na no ana mepacho wada wo bra na secondary education curriculum development stakeholders engagement ekoso ana deputy director general at the Emma National Council for Curriculum and Assessment ne di at the Mr. Owusu Matthew wada to ga ana wo kire mu SM so wo hwe sesi a bebia ewiase aduro no a eye 21st century no wo hwe ensano dwuma any nimdeɛ competencies akwada bi ahia afen so no ɛyɛ critical thinking yɛbɛtumi ade aboa na yɛ mpɔtamu ɛyɛ societal issues yɛbɛtumi ade asolve no a saa new curriculum no ekita ɛnti wani ade a ɛbɛtumi aboa yie papapa wɔkyerɛ sɛ afen na mpanifo ada ehunu sɛsɛsɛ no ɛsɛ sɛ nneɛma ɛma Ghana education etimi kɔnkane wabra yewura Martin Usu Kasano
mention some of them. If you look at this curriculum, a lot of emphasis is being placed on what we call 21st century skills and competencies. And then by this, we are trying to talk about competencies and skills such as critical thinking and problem solving skills. We are talking about leadership, we are talking about communication and collaboration skills. We believe that these 21st century skills and competencies are something that our learners need to enable them to progress and succeed in their field of work and then also in their further studies. Apart from the 21st century skills and competencies, this particular curriculum also places premium on what we call Ghanaian values. It promotes Ghanaian values because we believe that if we give all the skills that the learners require without giving them the needed Ghanaian cherished values such as patriotism, honesty, empathy, respect, all the skills will come to a naught.
Enti Eniyayeti Yei, Deputy Director General at the Emma National Council for Curriculum and Assessment. Nidin Ede Matthew Ousu Anekasai.
Yantu akase abono se yemomfa nwura mo ewo Jamestown. Eno no won krapumpure mantemu na nreda enyasem kuma na neze. Insiesie adwumadi e course wo hono mo no na enyasem kuma akra ni nyane se. Na nanu matren kwamwa modan krapumpure mantemu ya no akase sinsie achirim se. Efia hodo a adore jesen krapumpure mantemu bo modan akomtuma de ese na wo modan ama se efi ni nyina no. Ase atumi atu ewo krapumpure mantemu ni nyane se. Enche bia yame ya adoma enkamupure mantemu ne homo ho afahye eba beto dwanti mpanifo de yensiesie de aboa amekura yim emu atumi atepa na mena dwumade ne koso ne anopando nsia kwapem se wiadu menu de apa na nyasem kuma adehye mpotemu nya moden etu de akire mbo moden boa ya ama ze dwumade no ekọ kama pam de dwumade ne koso awa afi ye sepe afi gbese ene miam ya hodo a ebe Jamestown potemu hodo mu nyina na ze nyasem kuma kram ne mpanifo akase na mu kire mi se ehu benya pa se efia hodo a adokro man Ghana tituru ne kabumpure mantemu no yebetumi atu ase frisi anyane wa hodo a depa no eha adwenye pan na gama nche ye Kentucky eye teko churu otoso mienu eba omaden kase kirem se ehu benya se esi amekese no one mefo akabom ena afin so Accra Regional Coordinating Council no akabom ena afin zoom line adwuma kro na akabom eboa so betumi asiesi pa man kabumpure mantemu aha no matumi ate ena nkranso ye kase kure mu ofa yetumi abudin e de ensesi yebo na nakasa ye emu nkiremu ni
Minister, the mayor, the Niga, the Ghana Transitional Council, the money she wo, ni amewo, keha omowo kidnap exercise. When whatever you say, eban. The madam ambia unsi, sumo. Na meke pewo, na meke pe gamanche. Niache mi na gan. Bako imbawa papa ne. Yeah. Asani wa fe shuake. Whether MPP Joe, NDC Joe, CPP Joe, gan. Bako imbawa papa ne. Wafe wale. Ake Kenya kwe all the regions. Gan ekpese because of ne kumefimo bawa thing. Yeah, no. Common man is Samopo. I can pay politics. Yeah. She mother Wanyami regional minister. Nakai. I can need a bar. A can man is Samo. A can pay politics.
Nanaduna nusi yepe enendye Greater Accra Regional Minister Daniel Ni Kwatai Titus Grover ekopie mo dwumadi ase no tirem se ehu behia pa na ade ba ko a ekon etian krampure mantemu pa de eyefi o kirem efi de edware nkran pa na betimi aboa ne nyina ne se nyina beka yantoma ede abo ani ne etimi aboa mefia hodo a adokre krampure mantemu nam so manyarewa edware ye no eso atumi ate
anopano na timemofo no enye wo so bombra bomba but afei ohun se na dwuma no se ko no obi de ne ho dwumu bi bola no bebie wo kwa no so ayesesa ochina so yebeto so ahwe the other part of AMA e wo bukum gamashi inside ha no na bebie de wi nyame adoma yawada no yebe break na fiada ne memenda no yebe hwe osu curating municipality yebe ko Abuja echiri ho no kukobo ya hwe odona ya hwe adabraka ya hwe osu Oxford Street mpoano ho no any ministry ho ne ya proper ho nyina kama ama bibia ye fenti mbwa na mbwa na bibia akoso
Any awuti ye a Greater Accra Regional Minister Daniel Ni Kwatei Titus Grover. Enu achine Chief Executive Officer the man AMA Elizabeth na Kwacho Tewia Saki. Ebo made kopie mo dwumede na sen. Ene wo kirem se ehu nya passe dwumade we no. Ebetimi akwaso na AMA for some bylaws ahodo a mra. Etimi eboa na ne ye se wo form na de fi gugu baby a ho ensem fata na yetumi achew mamna na yadwuma no. Mmodin ahyem kana ne senti no wonnim na wo ye fi a ya chiwa yemfo nkoto afiase ne mo ba modern pan baby ho ye fi no watumi atigatam ayi na kina bi hwe ade a wapin ho
jumade ayedi enye 9 day wonder ade a abetina efise gamanche ankansa kansa aji ejina mu ina ahimfo no ewo ha nyina nso omodi won ho aji mu sese ano bosum bia no ye beye se adwuma ye bi afen nso no sese amegina ho no ya ti sanitation court into this time no enye court a wo kwa ye be fine wo but wow wo adwuma na ye be ma wo no ye fine wo mpo anka ho bepe
eni awuti ye Chief Executive edema Accra Metropolitan Assembly no Elizabeth na Kwacho Tewia Saki nene ena wuti ye
yento akasebo no so na esanse kasebo no enam Ghana fa na ba bia nti wo bia adwenkyere ene na adwempo ya gitum enu nti kasebo wo esini democracy ma menko Facebook no so na brofo a Ghana fo de aba na mento mebu ase pa na minyini makoma se bro ne nkate na positive change wo di free madina ana bayi ano say in fact Ghana yedin papa enya sam ketwa na emum wotie kasebo ne life ewo madina yenso yeda se pa mo fazi
nye di me kunu bi ni
me dre ho mo fazi eya so ari life anu Kwadwo praise
hallelujah
mo na Joseph Beza ana was say all the way the news is tasty pa dan kasa ana was we tie DLFM live wa adansege chairman block factory na was say wono ene amate group ana wo mutie kase bon pa na Judith Eliblu ana wono so wadi abai ana was DLFM news all the way I am watching you live Eddie free gbechiri yada say ana Joseph Biem ana was say baba group enso ene ne workers wo mutie papa ewo adasege yada say pi ana nana afia ana was say Ghana pa de ensamo what kind of youth are we growing into us as human beings? May God have mercy upon us all. Anna Charles Mafo, and was see DLFM news. We tear when the camera the moon so daho. Would be clear? Was it live and clear? Ewo Ellen's beauty parlor, Kwabinya Puma filling station. Yeah, that's it. Kofi Parliament was say we need a young man who has the country at heart. Enti why asam na wokan yada CP eno message was say live ewo agona bobikuma ana Francis Nate ana was say akwaba ejane woba yenso eje so ho nkonkron mo na mo fi amutie yen was say wutie DLFM news wa dia ka ne nyina eye fake na news no awurade emu odasa no manam was say tema community 25 do wenya wane mama Selena ana omutie yi na abena enso nyameye woso otie kasebo no ewo kasoa na wosi emu da ho yenso yada ase ana teacher constitution wo di free wiamu ase okumase ana wose kasebo no so mu da ho pa na Dr. Matthew Poku Prepenso they say party na gina to mu a na kire se hule master planner junior Kentampo wono so de ba na wo kire se kasebo no wotie le life ewo Kentampo a kire se enya asam kotwa bra se bibia hye ye dia areda so anyway me anto akase ebo no so na yenko yanim ye kwanza fufuro mu abusua ye di videos mielu bi eba bekire wo ho e wo Facebook no eso na bibia nso atimi akọ enkane papa na onso ba na nso atimi ahwe bi so ho se de ensem esitie e wo ho no na ade ba ko ene se kane no anka yete se wo bi ewu fo nso dwane na nso se de wo mai mo yetie yi akwada nsorofunu ana paninso ensorofunu na se dia ba betom kura de abusua ye de video menu eba bekire wo marion mesre wada nyabotre pa na yebekwa homa so na yani owura Ebenezer Esrifi edi enkomo wono ana Asante Mantam mu Mortuary Workers Association no woye wonom chairman ni nyina no ene se enche na beto odwase se wokọ Asante achem ene ne mpotem a abrantie bia wu na abrantie no a wo wuye no emrantie no mabawa e wa Asante achem no fagogo ene ne mpotem akoyi efru no efri fundakem ana wosi enipa kwa ho abusu ba Facebook no so awurade a he me pa cho de wo hye white no a wo hye cool heart no me pa cho enye nipa wote ase o eye enipa awuo ana wosi enipa kwa ho a ye ne kenkenken ani kenken kasa no ne nyina no ene se mrante ni kirem se emra wote ase na wo ye yoyo pa nti wo wudi a ye betwe abo so wofunu no enti behwe efunu no ana esi nipa kwa ho a kire se ya hye no esoro no form fita ana ye hwirihwiri no yi we no aye de ekoso ewo me pa acha wada Asante achem agogo ne mpotamon na ye de foforo so ba bekire wo we nso asi ewo afiaman ewo amasaman potam ha ewo nkran ha eno so abrante ani wuye no me pa acha ba Facebook no so ho we behwe biansa na wate ase na emrante ne kire se ewo na abrante na wuo no emra wate ase na wo nyina de dibom sa na mfofo ntise ne se wo a ye be se didi abom ansa na ye besie wo a ye siewu enu nti wo hwe ba bia efunu no woda no a me pa acha yadeda efunu no gina ho ana kire wo mode ne tenase ana wo mode kenke me pa acha kenke o kenke ya ye di ni wayi ase ya kenke mienu enche nam go ho ana wo mode asi efunu no anim ana efunu no wo mode ne nsa atomu ana wo mate bia hye efunu nanum apoto ba ko na mu o abomu ni amukota ho na wo moti bi hye wo monumu a na wo mate bi ahye efunu no nso anum aba wo nyina ansa dem ewa apoto ba ko me pa cha oba awurade nyankopon Christ ye Facebook no so we no aya no pictures and videos of Inogan wo hwenhwe wi wani so onye yie na eno na yebusa se ede ba de na Ghana fo mrantie epe wasase so se wo bi a wawuo anya hwe kura no ye ni ko hye fridge mu no ye di enu ahodo ewo ne mpane ebi ye poison enipa wudi a obewu na ye timidi efunu nsa ato apoto ewa mu a efunu a wodi kenke aya mrantie ti ne ho a wo mote no ono nso ate wo mote na efunu nso ate abusuam yankwa homa so na ye ni Asante Mantam dam trani ade ma Mortuary Workers Association of Ghana eni enkomo ne din ade Ebenezer Esrifi na de enti ayafra no ene se sansembwe no eye general secretary ade ma Mortuary Workers Association of Ghana Mowak ne din ade Richard Kofi Jordan wade nkrate pie montre so akirem se ade no Ghana fo yi mo ahye se no amo ye no enye efunu no ana mo dwojo no na emom eye wuo ankasa ana ebeba mo so yenkwa homa so yewra Ebenezer Esrifi eye chairman edema Asante Mantam Mortuary Workers ni nyina yewra woti yenkan wadawro mawo yamu adwo amwakwa aba
yo mi josumenia
yewra wapom ni Asante Mantam bokode
adompa yina ya hu yepa
yeda ewrade ase yewra me ye sure say na wugina homa no so ntimi nkyerɛkyerɛ mu ni nyina no ewrade adom minim wote ne kakra
o mpacho meti yepa
mo na videos ya ka ho asɛm me pacho wanya bi ahwɛ so de
first one ya so ne de menye bi ba second one ya o kan ya o campaign committee ya kra
second one na wo mo ne efru no edi kenke abom no unhu ya hu
ya ntimi wi na o da sendem kakra
wadaro ma meye ne sa pepepa ma sansan pe ne sisa bosomtwe wan kame wa patra won so kame na okran manam yewra enkomoyi mo na mo ye efunu ho adwuma woje ne san
yo me da se na mi chia etiefo ina no kra wo mi se Ghana emebru na siso no nyoma wo mo ye no enso ani emboa edikan eye efina egu oman no ho se obi a wewu no wepija no wasua no o to kosro obi a wewu de ni ADD yempenu fu yente se bi so ba bi ampoda se nansi na sha se ebe aka krampa se meka se chemical se de ye adwuma no ana ode pa poison e ka wanu a ontena se now they don't know the serious of it into a moody dear growth. And if I'm a no more to costro now oba no ye say when you sue a son if you know a nipa or honest. Ensue and I said, yeah, let's spread the gomoso, but who nip a dear and then a union and a break on so ever. and I want only independent, chemicals, and I want in some Nadina. And say infection be a one animals who be other come, obey ya dear, and boy. Now, I was my own say, we are only and your own quan on the quackers that we're wishing for. We're wishing for so the best I would be. Nature say, that then I need to put your mind. And yes, by papa, on my own mountain and Baba and watch us here, or more airport brand, and yet,
Yura, Minimwada, Kane no Nanka. Yes, it's a nipa kurewa. And until Obronese a year funeral procession. Na ye wo kwan amamere kwan e fa so ye nyoma. Nanso ne akwate sase ye di efunu no ana obi a wowo ne ho few. Menimada honhom fam nso no se wo yi chemical no a petigu nipa so empo se bi enipa de na hye frigim. Ni hu so no a so ne gu nipa so no kran so ya asem foforo. Wo yi sansem we eto nchen a honhom fam no nso no se wo di obi a wowo ho few no wo nso nso wo ho.
Who from there, as I said, many and who no menti, and the root to me can't be free. Oh, but it's so overly. Moya Martin said, Bia, a Mununa Mudin who have an answer to be son. I want me then some number Bia, the least mistake of Yana, a well round tea, and the damn Jesus said, whom should be good to me.
You're already my enchiltre kakra. Enno a modeka obi a wawo no chemicals na mode bi won mo ayampane yesi ebi wo krampo yesi afra na embalming ye de adro ne sra no yewura my some descriptions kakra say na adro no esitie say ne ni hu esitie how dangerous that chemicals are Ghana for the agro to the extent they say anya hwekura no say fro no yewura se moyi na say bia mode na ba abrebusuafo no a adro no still I want ho to the extent say what then is sabetu kenkem na ubedia enyansonso and how dangerous is that chemical amode ye omo no adaroma chire mu kakra
yo me da sibibre adro no e fan for marvin a very dangerous say baby I want to cry the kakra apeti wa huntu minjina ho when never shows huntu me cry the adro na cancer Emma ya debibre enti yen ye ko ho a yen fa yen sa hu yen fa enihu udrese kama na uja ko edunu zuko nipa no ho a ende won ho afebo kusise yebesie na obesei enti nye se ye na fifu jima bato won enti eni ho ho pa enti yen fa sa edunu indi agro edunu yen fa member bi ni pampo even car, the full car, you won't cry about you. And it's very dangerous. A chemicals are not shape and send the pretty agro, but one so they just take things for granted and say we did the agro, but it's just super power. But you'll be Samiana at you.
Yera, and you may DLFM, you're one crying. You're near so a dominant pimpimo 80 one cry, ha. Any we are safe na bebia no ye bejira ma na makase adase wo brani adaje a waje ne nkyerɛkyerɛ anso a wo dia mayeni
yo mesome da se bebre enti misrawa sa sakan na no wasena mam kakra
wadama video no ye wie pe ye be send e dia ma na anso watimi ahwe bi efuna wodi kenke
asemo Ghana
ye da se papa enti abusuan wopani a yene no atwetwe nkomo ni din ade Ebenezer Esrifi wono anasante mantamo mortuary workers wono na ye wono nyina dwam tirani na mse wo man akase ye beje wono kwa na Doris Chum ana wose wofa ye tie kase bono hwe wo life edi free nsawam dubru na Ghana hanomo ehu we abekasa brewa na ye no ye da se ana Judith Eliblu ana wose Ghanaian youth are calling for their death. What is going on in Ghana? Hey, assemble Kurani. Ana Supros, Virtuous. And also Okogyeabour Afiamai ebe pokuase esen amasamai yeda se pa anso ne enkyerɛkyerɛ no. Enti pokuase Afiamai enye amasamai Afiamai. Okay. Ana Charles Mensa ana wase hey my God. Na Anthony Ahemfo ana wase hey what is going on? Na enti wrong say ye be wo beto sa generation wo mu ana will be ebisa wa hayi ana queen adepa ana say wo fa asem o they will come and tell us their lives is not going on well efunu Omari Safa to so be my wadarma enti me pato ba in Facebook no so a senia Kwadwo ohwe video no wa hwan kakra apakan so ahanti apakan de me se wate ho ntasua ma te se ntikura pa no
sha se eyi wo Facebook no so na me hu se ne sha se ho na okomi ade ha me ne se wo hu se mebunu no mutu sa na mawe no sunsuanso no ba na beka omunkuto mpodi a anka me ha me ebia na we be ma wote efunu ho edi dokona obubia na ode ahye na bia na owo ge anaso gwagware owo ma na ode akwa oyare ne ba na ode akwa ka abusuafo ebi kura yese kura kokoro onware na ne girlfriend akwada wo we no msa no ebi kura kwa onware no wasan ene ne ho kafo akwa akwada no sunsuanso bo ne ba na ka abusua meminim de ayaji ne kurom ha because me ya wo mbepem zamre wo mi se okunye ni mfie bebre wasasi su de nanso no pa se funu ne ye de dafunu kura ye mahu ye dwane na kwabra ne tumi suwa funu e wono kon ho de je fans e wo kurom ha ne just for social media trends e be trend keke no wanya likes no obi so atwensa eni funu didi e wo kura yim akoma be yedro ne se de more den no de more den
apakan the sports ne ba na mamem apakan akwaba
ogomejo so
baby aboko de akra
o nyame adom
me ho se wote ha ye video no o tintasuo fa ho minima de na ekoso wadwem wo hwe video yi
na okunti sebe nipa na adwen ye adwuma be we nipa we ya wo no a na adwen ye adwuma o ye correct ebe sa de we and enyama say koso na hu a we okun enye obi a o take drugs if you are not on drugs be we
sir
oh na hwe nipa yes ade we ene omo aso afunu ni nyina if enye nkrofo we omo abuse drugs nipa 7 na dwen ye adwuma a 77 penfo ni mo more than be ade we e fayin na Ghana mebunu edu eba ne sen na Ghana mebunu ebinu edu ba bia ye bi
efuna wodi kenke
say we nipa tumi ni funu tu nsa didi nipa tumi ni funu etu nsa didi eba ne sen na Ghana youth edu ba bia ye bi
okun wo mo Facebook no so no de efunu ne de o hyeche no
Ghana fight
no
efunu ne hyeche no
papa na ye de change atu no kom na wo hye white sa no
wo hyeche black no efunu no
eni funu no
ana boys na de ne nsa to kenke
citizen na kasa sikenke ni mu ankasa bi
ana entinam no kura nso no silver they say pala
pa ye do akire
pala edi o abakan
it's very sad and Charlie Okun no normal person would do this.
Me I think so Okun going forward no be say no I say mamra na wo mudi
emra ban
se mebunu ye ja wo no mu say ya akure bedu bia beji ensem no mebu wa yes we
ebi ni o madam for wawu no makoyi
aso obi ya to aba ma
na
wedding kunim na ye de na esi
o mo de na esi o fon
na de ama na Adidas
senye ndro bi no ma no ne bibi no ma fa ngombe esa de we
na we hu se man bi so kura atonyum de akiri we
no but the question is ebusua na wo mo de wo mu fro no nso no wo mo ho na sa de we esi ana
na okwo send youth bi wu a ebusua for youth ni na je ye ni ye
o mo ni tumi kura
omo ayi o mu sika ye o mu bibia ndi wo ebusua no omo mfa ho na na edu fiada na mabunu bi ewu ana babunu bi ewu no mu ko yifu no okwo aje cars park ma o manza na o mu twam
na okwo
ogro o mu de motor abo o mu de car abo wakun
ebusia pani ni hwan wo pa usuma agefunu na ko na de na be
ba Kwadwo nim apakan hu ye ya kanfo ide eduma bi a aya na adesua kakra wo ye fre bibi nsamantoa
yeah
de o mu ye wo bi ho no mokura mpo abrante eti ase no one ne nka ana wawuo na wudi de ho fa se nsamantoa wo ho asama do court ye be fro se be yi hu ano but and then once yen heritage as Ghanaians no ya to ni nyina tene
mamre no de ye se okun ni misen ka kan no wo kwa musie a wo ba pe ye de nsuo edisi amusie kwan na no ese otume de nkyene hohoro wonsa
kotia ye de si kotia
e hohoro wonsa ansa kras wa ba fi
okun esa
nyina won sunsun aso ntia na mpanifo ne yesa
se mpanifo ntu omu na yensi wo e wonyama bi wa okun the level na youth no e ko na ehu and no youth no. They are capable of doing anything. And nowadays youth almost rush you. And then in our society now you're building. We are building a society. No one could run your boy so. And now your youth now kitaka what toka kesi now the mercy fear kesia. Now we're boosting our 4 or now for 4 and any pa boy also. Your Okran and a young baby Nanzia. Wakoto Lamborghini ye niwe juma oye. Oh yeah, no sabeka chance Lamborghini no koteno or the 12 billion OCDs. And I could year port up to now obian to me question ye niwe juma oye. Yes, you will see the biggest and the most beautiful mansion in Ghana here. And all trendy was social media. Now our front cars. Now Dana me new Mario and Kawasem. Ye nyampa en form to me question ni bisanse adwuma ben na wo ya wunya saiska we akoto Lamborghini yam president kwa akoto Lamborghini. Into the society no is hailing people omo ya bad things and wo ya youth na wo bro moja ni nyeska yam fa onya hwe ye wa sorry ye into okwo enyama youth ni ye nowadays edi nyeska na ye kacha o se befem but ni nyina the society we are building and na do the levels na enkane enka ye di funu bakra na nkola adwane
yes
ye di funu ba na nkola adwane but na nkola keten sebe omo di dafunu hwe the level a yedu no kwabrane atam sebe efunu asi ni kon hwe ni ahoye no ebinum ni omo tu nsa didi nyama boni ya youth ni ye nowadays edinyeska obi anka hwe nchirom. This is the society we are building and Ghana and the way na ekonokon sempene phone ntu omo na isi wa hon. We are not far from the ACC or Kenya ni ade no. But
apaka woni bibi. I think say aside the fact say society no a failure no. Media no so never be say o say Ghana yen shada project our history, our heritage and tradition. Yenye. Say partisan politics are dominating all our radio and media discussions because I think say it's about time one. Yes, I go back to our books and our pillows and think about those things.
Most of the programs managers or could they are failures. And that's so big media no cover programs manager. The programs of exchange is all about politics. And it's sabi in the muna and swarm society. And now programmer already and the answer obey interview as so for any in the munukwa. But when him say in the munukwa, so the programs we do on radio and TV oko fiano pako si enyume in the munukwa for education bia and public you know.
Also apaka the proliferation of the media. Say media no NCA who was a kind their amount license and your programs manager problem on your na you your jumera ne pe. You see it's about time one media owners say what for experts so omunya juma no leave the business to those on field. But what if you now or control about the san one program said no when juma but and say and serve the purpose of a juma no programs manager on any home
or queen sata momo so de omunan besi fam no mama juma ra for ne hu ne ekọ ne nieba e ko me no ya adwen media no and na nyama bebre say ye ne promote.
Oh yes
nyama bebre say ye ne promote
na say Ghana nkwana yetimika say we nufu doso ye man the platform we ne to doso Ghana nkwana nufu kese ne to kese
me say
ye celebrate
who obi not radio so ye program now akofa bet expert I bet any programs who say o mechire maburu no say you bet
o won bibi
yes
the mechanism on
this is where the media is going.
National Media Commission no what do you media power kruma ni say
ubu sabe na so ubu sabe pani ya aboa
pese me bisa ya great media no you media ni they should be I mean SS sanity here adwuma
why they regulating why
oko adenti be for obi atwe ne ka okruma me sometimes me were sometimes me timi ne adwumayefo bi tena ba bi ne kasa na me were ho me tisa me dwuno wa me ntia say media no ya de ba say yamwa na Ghana no emebu ntitiriw yamma mu hunu Ghana no sade na de yete ene yamma man titire yamma man kwanam na mum sesi amekase ni media ne de okon betumi akase edu ba bi a almost 80 to 90% no ameboa Ghana
no media nan kan botai ne say yen shape the society but and the media ye shape political parties. What am I saying?
And as a result of saying politicians no do na only media no.
That is the problem.
And So we a businessman pa now pay frequency from NCA. Idea take political influence. And some our license to operate. And all the upper my politicians also pay license here the man. So media now Ghana now about 99%. Politicians in the ONI. That's right. So that's what here. Your partisan media or more agenda no more driven towards party no more serving. Yes. So the way now your media ne kono.
Is him about him? Your regulatory body, which is the National Media Commission. And even the NCA, they also have monitoring team. Sure. You see, yeah, kind of say no. Your entire will be a. Everybody to me. That's a political appointment. NCA boss, a party in power now appointed. That's right. The media commission government appointment members. And the party in Crawford and Kwasho. Or come about. Okran Eastern Regional NCA boss. Or your Eastern Regional MPP secretary. What he has the say? Or quote Charlie, a sufra. No more quan say. Radio ni TV no. Or come in say, Yen any piasa deno. For education, information, and then entertainment. That's right. But and then your macra say entertainment, and then a Ghana phone say entertainment. And I say, Yatiti radio ni TV so, and then some huna yedi. Say, young Dan Bine. Na shape o mani ye na sese ne betre mu dia baby ye kono o de bedu ba ye baka say ye ne o Ghana ye ne o baby ye beduro ni enti ye ne piepia na hode mu na donko ne ye tu aye kogum no ye nyina ye nkoye nim ne ye tomu wi a e be san ye chi apaka onim mini media owner bia programs head enim adwuma uja no se wanya adwuma na wo be ye media owner no onim adwuma ne huhui but because of the partisan affiliation inti programs head at the programs in the culture as they become yenise. And they how many media houses and a one mokrano amamre home programs. Woman says a primitive program that's how they say it. Also radio fitiano politics. Politics from an opacosi other programs no mo yen so okun emu na educative and yo obi sorry I want to ne dia ani asofo ne akonfo nkwana we interview fiti anopa kosi anwumere emfaso ni so agenda hunu no seche na yakofa saka wabo bi ne ya de na beto ne interview no enkrofo hu bra papa bi omobo enso manya skatam oni so interview no obenya kakra nti no wakofa na obesi wo ani yeso so nkrofo a omunya impact bia o use no so interest na okwabla ni to me for bia be si wo say or ye bet expert or match them mabulu say ye gata. This is where our media has got into. Baby our media na do no our guy me na ye ho nya aboafo nkra to my ba na the sports no atwa ye so ye ba sesi a makwantu ohunsam ayemedadwen nanso me yensam tro ne nti menya adaje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonom nti ende metimi ba menya bre ne adaje ekenkan ye investigations about womo ana me hu say wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri say wonom track records madanse die nie ma me nintrel Sunday Sam's consult edi britia wabi ebeje wo visa amawo. So United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, Nafe Kradia, Serbia, any Greece in so abeka ho work permit etchere. Ma mentre wo mo etchere kwan. Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier. Asofan our Bay Wise Park Hotel. Ewo Asofan New Station hono a. Phone number 0244291546. Email address nso samuelowusu626@gmail.com. Yeti ehudi enti we connect dreams with opportunities. Emanenye wadwendwen frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse e empo ase de media.
Right, Ebusia yamfa agudi omunsam kakra bi emfanda woni yansore so dia. Ebusia unim se AFCON 2025 ebekoso ewo omaya ye friend Morocco me no ka say group na qualifies no ebeba so no ababetoga na ye focus no ewo Ghana group no na Ghana yakopiem ewo group F na Ghana o Angola o Sudan ewo ona Niger enso ewo enti Kwesi Appiah ene ni Sudan ma no ombeba Ghana ne ene omo edi abeboani a enwo ensem no na honorable Samuel Okogyeabour Ablakwa ena eye MP Edema North Tongue unim se nansen a ene ye host to All African Games ewo Ghana na according to honorable Samuel Okogyeabour Ablakwa no osi Minister of Youth and Sports honorable Mustafa Yusuf Edwanidwane on for report nimra no Edwanidwane na according to honorable Samuel Okogyeabour Ablakwa no osi omakwa konya enkrata bia minister no ene LOC no almost spending $48 million on just operation expenses osi kwambia so no minister no omo mane mfa ne hu ndida.
On the matter to do with the All Africa Games, I raised this on the floor. Indeed, took on the sports minister when he came to present what was just about how many medals we had won and all of that. That is not what Parliament is established.
Honorable Samuel Okogyeabour Ablakwa enono na ebusia John Pistol assistant coach Edema Blasters. John Pistol say no Ghana Premier League no kakakra esa sorry no ojiri se kora ni mo no ebetimi afa ne ntoma pefra nyame adomochna yeri mu details ni nyina edi ebebro. Dr. Kwame Baniakon former board member Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko osisi yenya big companies amfa be $5 million enra Ghana Premier League numa Ghana Premier League na be koso aye senate ya enwon sempi na nyame adomochna yet nasia yedi ebebro na urenwa manonia Heroes no nyame adoma ochna na quarter finals no ebehase ochna yeba yere wonsem nyina ebeda oko ma yemfansi na ochna yedi details no.
That's right. Yeah, that's ya pakanti ebusuan enano mo mfa nchen wachina awurade ya domo a ye bema more time wo ho na ye di sofa no ho enkomo na enano ye ntimi mfa sofa no emrew DJ Omar Wadeko Facebook no so akenkan fo mienu edi a meje so eye Okogyeabour Ocran Nhyiraba
Kwadwo Sammy B
ya crowd ya that's it.